Couple weeks ago, one of my friends offered me to go with him to shoot a commercial for Subaru. On my way back from the shooting set, I began talking to people who were part of the set. Turns out we clicked really well, and they offered me to go with them to Puerto Rico for spring break. I didn't know them at all, but I knew this was going to be one of those in a lifetime experiences. So I did what every rational college kid would do. I packed all my things and I got the next flight. Our goal was simple: explore as much as we could in 6 days. No maps, no plan, just some college kids around Puerto Rico.
From the very first time we loved, from the very first time we touched, walking on wires and power lines. You put your body on top of mine. Every time that you lift me up to the heaven and stars above.
Most of the time, we get used to doing our daily routine, going to school, work, buying things, and repeat all over again. And the truth is, there is nothing wrong with it. However, we can get used to being comfortable all the time if we so choose.
The energy when you hold me, when you touch me, it's so powerful. I can feel it when you hold me, when you touch me, it's so powerful. There's an energy when you hold me, when you touch me, it's so powerful. I can feel it when you hold me, when you touch me, it's so powerful.
This trip showed me that you don't need a high budget to have fun. What matters the most is having the right people who are willing to experience new things that we're not used to, as well pushing ourselves to enjoy and seek out these new experiences as if they will last. And if you will ask me if I will do it all over again, I wouldn't think a second of it to say yes.
I can feel it when you hold me, when you touch me, it's so powerful. There's an energy when you hold me, when you touch me, it's so powerful. I can feel it when you hold me, when you touch me, it's so powerful. I can feel it when you hold me, when you touch me, it's so powerful.
Hold me in your arms, burns like fire, electricity. When you're close, I feel the sparks, takes me higher to infinity.